Welcome to this in-depth review of GoodData, one of the leading business analytics platforms. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, GoodData promises to offer data-driven insights with ease. But does it deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look. GoodData's platform is designed to help companies analyze their data, create reports, and make smarter business decisions. One of the first things you'll notice is the intuitive user interface. It's clean, easy to navigate, and makes data analytics accessible even for those without a technical background. You can quickly build reports and dashboards that visualize your data in meaningful ways. The platform supports various integrations, so you can connect it with tools like Salesforce, Google Analytics, and others. This makes it incredibly useful for businesses already using these platforms. The data processing capabilities are solid, offering flexible ways to manipulate and explore data. Whether you want to track KPIs or dive deep into sales performance, GoodData provides the tools to make it happen. However, it's not all smooth sailing. One downside I encountered was the learning curve. While the platform is user-friendly overall, the more advanced features can take some time to get the hang of. Also, pricing may be a concern for smaller businesses or startups. It's not the cheapest option on the market, and you might have to look closely at your budget before committing. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another thing to consider is the customer support. While GoodData does offer support, response times can be slower than expected, especially for urgent issues. That said, once you do get in touch with a representative, they are knowledgeable and can help resolve problems quickly. In terms of scalability, GoodData does an excellent job. It's designed to grow with your business, so if you're a larger organization or one that plans to scale, this could be a great long-term solution. The platform also provides a lot of customization options, so you can tailor the experience to fit your exact needs. So, is GoodData worth it? If you're looking for a robust analytics tool and you're ready to invest in your data infrastructure, it definitely has the capabilities to help you succeed. However, be mindful of the pricing structure and ensure it's within your budget. For businesses that need more than just basic data analysis, GoodData offers comprehensive tools that can really enhance your decision-making processes. Before you go, don't forget to check the description for useful links and more information. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and user experiences on business tools and platforms.